Since 1995, IMIS has been the top B school in Odisha, spread across 5 acres. Situated in Bhubaneswar, the next startup destination of Odisha with facilities like advanced classroom, high-end labs, library, sports and gym. It has everything for a holistic and successful career building. With best-in-class designed PGDM courses, the curriculum has been specifically designed to make the students industry-ready to excel from day one in the fast-moving and high-demanding corporate world. IMIS is known to keep its position to be the best platform for a great kickstart to the career. The placement record also says the same. With 7.8 lakhs max and 5.01 median in 2022, our students are placed in top MNC of India, and we are still placing the rest. This year we have bigger aspirations for our students. Give your career a kickstart by opting for IMIS. Book a consultation call with our career counselor to know more about what we can offer you. IMIS Bhubaneswar, the B school that thinks ahead.